luck, Star Fox.
Rob, give me last known location on Slippy's R-Wing.
Impact site at 12 o'clock.
Harsh terrain, magnetic storms. This place has it all.
We'll keep our eyes open up here, Fox. Tank seems to handle well.
Maneuvers like an R-Wing.
Almost looks like you know how to drive that thing.
Want to come down and take it for a spin, Falco?
I'll pass. I'm going to the sky. Slippy, why you gotta be such a pain in the neck? So much for Pepper's intel. You've got enemy fighters coming your way, Fox.
Try hovering.
Looks like landmines ahead.
Lock on and destroy them from a distance, or use hover to fly over them. Laser turrets! Boost to outrun their fire! This detour's gonna set us back, but Slippy's worth the risk.
Your leadership got us here, Fox.
Enemies incoming!
This place is even deadlier than they say.
Come on, Slippy, give us a sign.
Supplies deployed.
Forget the supply drops. Focus on finding Slippy. They've got me in their sights. Nice shot, Fox. But forget me. Find Slippy.
We don't have eyes on you, Fox. Keep your wits about you.
Mayday! Mayday! Is anybody out there?
Slippy, we read you. Get a move on, Fox. I'll be there soon.
Slippy, hang on!
I knew you'd show up eventually! Fox! It's pulling me under!
Let go of our engineer, you ugly bum face.
Take out its arms, Fox!
Where's our analysis, Slippy? Make yourself useful.
It's no use! I'm stuck! I'm clear! Our wing's operational! Sending enemy analysis to your monitor now!
things history. Ancient history.
I thought I was a goner.
Things might get boring if you weren't almost dying all the time.
Welcome back, Slippy. Now would you please stay in formation?
Vacation's over. Let's get back to work.
A new intelligence report is available in the Holo Viewer.
Diverting to Titania was a grave tactical risk, Fox. I'm relieved to hear it paid off.
Now that my team's at full strength, we can make up for lost time, General. We'll see this job through.
General Windbag over there was ready to notify your next of kin.
On the bright side, it was a great stress test for the R-Wing.
Never change, Slippy.
Unfortunately, as a result of your detour, Andros is now well aware of your progress through the system. His Bull satellite has just come online in orbit above Venom. Be warned, it is a highly advanced defense system. I must maintain radio silence from this point on, but I know you have what it takes to finish this, Star Fox. Good luck.
That satellite's no joke, Fox. It's stockpiled with enemy fighters, and enough warheads to really ruin somebody's day.
Sounds impressive. But if Bulls is between us and our final target, then it's about to become highly advanced space junk.